Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Acura TL faster. We'll explore key areas to boost your car's performance, starting with engine enhancements that can add substantial power. Next, we'll look at how improving handling and shedding unnecessary weight can transform your driving experience. Finally, we'll discuss the importance of proper tuning and consistent maintenance to ensure your Acura TL performs at its absolute best for years to come. Boosting your Acura TL's engine performance is a fantastic starting point. A cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, while performance headers and a J-pipe significantly reduce exhaust restrictions, unlocking more horsepower and torque. For even greater gains, some owners opt for pre-cat deletes, which further improve exhaust flow. If you're seeking a substantial power increase, a supercharger kit can add over 100 horsepower, transforming your TL into a true powerhouse. Improving your Acura TL's handling and reducing its weight are crucial for a faster, more responsive ride. Lightweight wheels can shave off several pounds per corner, noticeably improving acceleration and braking. Coilovers lower your car's center of gravity, drastically reducing body roll during turns. Upgrading to stiffer sway bars further enhances stability. Additionally, removing items like the spare tire and jack can reduce vehicle weight by 30 pounds or more, contributing to quicker performance. After installing performance parts, a professional ECU tune is essential to maximize gains and ensure your engine runs efficiently with its new components. Tools like Honda or K-Tuner are popular for this. Beyond modifications, consistent maintenance is key. Regularly checking and replacing spark plugs, using high-quality synthetic oils, and maintaining proper fluid levels will keep your Acura TL performing reliably. Routine inspections help identify and address any issues before they impact your car's enhanced speed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.